this video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-window and split screen on HONOR Magic8 Lite. In order to do it, you will need to first open an app, like the first app that you'd like to use, basically. So let's say I'm just Googling something. Then slide inwards from the edge of the screen, from either edge, and hold until this bar appears. So don't release your finger, just hold. Then you'll see some apps here, or you can click on more and select an app that you'd like to open in multi-window or split screen. We'll talk about split screen in just a little moment. Let's try opening a calculator, for example. And now, as you can see, it is a floating window right here. I could resize it as much as I want, or if I do like minimum, then it will minimize itself, so when I need to tap on it to activate it. And now you can see it is fully functional, which is great. If I want to close it, I want to resize it first. Then I could either click here to close it, or there were the buttons as well, small buttons. Now another method is, another thing is split screen. And to do that, also slide inwards and hold. You can also do that from the other edge. And select an app that you'd like to use in split screen. Let's say Notes, then press and hold and drag it up or down. And now you are in the split screen mode. As you can see, both apps are opened at once. I can resize them or close them like so. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.